everybody, my name is Teacher Rosanne and you're watching Teacher Rosanne and Starlettah, our YouTube channel. Here, preschool students from 1 all the way up to 6 will be able to learn, sing, dance, and do stuff, fun stuff, crazy stuff with me. So keep watching, like all the videos that you watch and see, and watch them again. Then subscribe to this channel. Let's continue learning about words that begin with the letter B. Are you ready? If you are, you say, "Yes, I am." You can say it loudly or softly, up to you. Are you ready? Wonderful. Here we go. Who remembers the sound of B? Remember, this is the mommy bee, and this is the baby bee. Letter B sounds this way. B. Can you say it with me? B. Let's say it one more time. B. The song we're going to sing is a song that has the sound of B, the name of B, and things that begin with the letter B. So here we go. B. B is the sound of B. B. B is the sound of B. B. B is the sound of B. Butterfly, ball, and bib. What is a butterfly? A butterfly is an adult caterpillar, and it's usually flying in the sky near flowers, and it's very colorful. What is a ball? A ball is usually a sphere. It is round everywhere, it bounces, and you play them during sports occasions. What is a bib? A bib is what babies wear around their necks right here so that when they're eating, it may catch crumbs and falling food, and it will prevent their clothes underneath from getting stained with, sauces and soups. If there are more words that you can think of that begin with B, or if your name begins with B, please let me know in the comment section below. Remember to like my videos. I will see you soon. Bye!